click sound from jaw joint. What does that mean? Why does that happen? This happens very commonly with many people, that when they open their mouth, there is certain sound like click from this region, and that bothers you. You don't know why is that coming from inside. So it's just like when you twist your fingers, the sound is heard. The same comes from here. So why this happens, what to do if you are having this click sound in your jaw joint, and how to get rid of that. Everything about this click sound from jaw joint I'll be explaining in this video. Greetings for the day to everyone. I am Dr. Ankit. I am a maxillofacial surgeon from Indore, and we are talking about click sound from jaw joint. So see friends, let's understand about this joint in brief, that this joint is made up of three components. One is the bone on the top, one is the bone in the bottom, and in between, in center, there is a disc. There is a intra-articular disc, what we call. It is a sponge-like thing which moves along with the lower bone. This lower bone is called mandible. It has a head called condyle. This is the mandible, this is the condyle you see here, and this is the disc attached over this. So the upper component of the joint, that is the upper bone, is fixed always. That will not move. What will move when you open your mouth or you chew, you close your jaw, is the lower bone along with that disc. That disc is supposed to move in synchronization with the lower bone, with the lower component of this joint. It goes to and fro. Whenever you open your mouth like this and you close your mouth, the disc will go to and fro. It will go forward and backward. It will move forward and backward whenever you open and close your mouth. Like you see here, the mouth is closed and the disc is at its position. Now when the mouth opens, the disc comes forward. So sometimes this happens that this disc does not move in good harmony, good synchronization with both of these bones, the upper and the lower one. It runs slightly faster than the lower bone and it comes forward. So this is called as anterior disc displacement. In easy words, we can understand that the disc runs too much fast than the lower bone and it comes ahead of that. So now to overcome that, the lower bone and the disc move in friction with each other, and this friction, which otherwise in ideal case should not happen, this friction creates this click sound from here. So this is the reason for this click sound. So I hope I have made you clear that the click sound from the jaw joint is because of unbalanced movement of that disc along with the upper and lower bones of your joint, which leads to friction amongst these things. And to overcome that friction, the movement is with a sound, because the things are now rubbing harshly against each other. So what should you do in such cases? In such cases, the first and foremost thing you should keep in your mind is that you have to give rest to your joint. The joint serves you two purposes. Joint has two things in its life. First is to open the mouth and second is to chew the food. Both the things cool down. Don't open your mouth too much, limit your mouth opening, and don't chew hard foodstuffs. Have only soft food items, so that this joint is on rest mode and it gets good time to recover. So this is what you have to keep in mind whenever this click sound you hear from here. You can do some hot fomentation if you are having this click sound since few weeks or months, and also you can get prescribed some muscle relaxants from your doctor if the situation persists. And if after all these simple care remedies still the complaint is on, then you need to visit a doctor for further investigations and some proper treatment to train your TM joint and to keep it to its normal position, so that all these things work in good synchronization with each other and the click sound resolves and your jaw joint remains stable in good functioning. So this is all about the click sound from jaw joint, and there are some advanced procedures after that which I'll be discussing in some other videos, like arthrocentesis, arthroscopy, some splints and all. So if you are having such problem and you are willing to ask something from us, then we'll be more than happy to answer all your queries, and I wish you very good health and very good luck to everyone. Thank you so much.